Welcome back to Shin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this coconut curry shrimp recipe. Right here I have my shrimp and I'm going to add some salt. You can check the description box for detailed measurements. I'm going to add some white pepper, black pepper can do, some dry thyme, some garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and of course I have my Betapac curry, just a little, some all-purpose seasoning. And I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together and put it aside so my shrimp can suck up the juices. By the way, after I added some spring onions to my shrimp and put it aside. To my frying pan, I'm going to add some coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use any oil of your choice. My favorite would be sunflower seed oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onions, because you know, onions and the oil release a lot of flavor. So fry that for like 2 minutes on low heat. Then I'll go ahead and add my curry. This is a thing that we do a lot in Jamaica. We like to burn our curry, but it's not actually burning. It's like toasting the curry powders to make sure that it's cooked and that it doesn't send you to the bathroom after. Yeah. So if you have issues with curry, this is what you need to do before you add your meat. I don't mean to burn it, because if you burn the curry, it will be bitter. I mean to toast it. In Jamaica, we just say burn, but it's toasting. After my curry powder has been toasting for like 1 or 2 minutes, I will add my garlic. And trust me, my kitchen was smelling so good. Mix everything together. I needed a little bit more coconut oil, so I went ahead and added it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my veggies. Right here, I have carrots, onions, sweet pepper, red and yellow. Yeah, I added onions before, but you know, I need more onions. Mix that, combine it together. And of course, you need to season your food. So at every step in my cooking process, I'm going to go ahead and season. So to my veggies right now, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning, Easi spice, yes. Some Maggi season up. I'm just eyeballing it, but I will try to measure it and put it in the description box. I don't want to overcook my shrimp, so that's why I'm making sure I season and stir fry my veggies first. I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp and I'm going to combine. And it might seem that my pot isn't very hot, but trust me, it is. Now that my shrimp is getting some color, I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut milk. And of course, I'm going to be using canned coconut milk. Any rich tasting coconut milk will do well. My mom would disagree with me. She would want me to use actual raw homemade coconut milk, but I am not that girl. Mix and combine everything together. Add a little water as needed. For me, I like when my sauce is a lot. So I added some extra water. After this, I cover my pot, let it go for 3 to 4 minutes. Then I check and stir and combine. You know, you always have to taste your food. So I tasted and it needed a little bit more. So I added some salt and I added some Maggi fish seasoning and combined everything together and give it another taste, and it tasted perfect. Next, I added some cornstarch slurry, which is cornstarch mixed with water, just to thicken the gravy. After 1 to 3 minutes, it was ready. I added some green onions for color and for flavor. And here you have it. My coconut curry shrimp recipe is complete. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you next time.